Can you say mama?
Mama.
Say dada?
Dada.
Say Mouser?
Mother.
Say Mickey Mouse? Can you say puppy?
Puppy.
Can you say Mama?
Mama.
Can you say banana?
Mama.
Can you say oatmeal?
Mommy.
Can you say doggy?
Oh.
Can you say broccoli?
Puppy.
Can you say orange?
Apple.
Orange. No? Can you say orange?
Go.
You want to go? Can you say cat? Can you say dog? Can you say dog? Okay. Rylan, say puppy.
Puppy.
What about dog? Say, I love you, Mama. Hi. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.